Let's see this problem. Merge intervals. Given an array of intervals where intervals I equal to a start I end I. Merge all overlapping intervals and return an array of the non-overlapping intervals that cover all the intervals in the input. Okay, see the example. Here one interval has been given. This is the list of lists. So in each list there are two items. First list 1 3, second item 2 6, third 8 10, 15 18. So we have to see if we can merge two or more than two lists. So see here 1 3 and 2 6. So 3 is greater than here 2. So both of these two lists can be merged in a single list 1 to 6. See here 8 to 10 and 15 to 18. So 10 is less than 15, so we can't merge 8 10 with 15 18. It's fine. So our final output will be list of 1 6 8 10 and 15 18, like this. Here 1 4 and 4 5 both are equal, so both of these lists can be merged in a single list, so 1 5. Okay, just see its code, how will it work. So first condition should be if this interval is empty, then blank list will be there. So if not intervals, if there is nothing in these intervals, then we will simply return blank list. Next, what I will do, I will at first sort these intervals list by first item of each list, like 1 2 8 and 15. First item of each list, accordingly I will sort these intervals. Okay, so intervals dot sort, its key value will be lambda x, and this x item will be first item of each list. Okay, so this is the function, and this key value is what? It is sorting according to first item of each list. So 1 to 8 15 and 1 to 8 and 15. So accordingly this list will be sorted. Okay, next I will take answer, and this answer will be first item of this intervals. I will take intervals first item. Okay, but we have to return in the form of list. Answer should be in the form of list. This is a single list, na, intervals 0, that means only 1 3 will come. See, after sorting what will happen? Actually it is already sorted, so I can just take same item. So it will be like this after sorting. See 1 2 8 and 15, so already sorted. So here answer intervals, what will be here? In answer interval 0, it should be 1 3, but this is also under lists, so this is list of lists. Okay, so answer is now list of 1 and 3. So 1 3 is already a list, and this is in the form of a list. So this is current answer. First item is 1 3, so answer is now 1 3, list of 1 3. Okay, next next I will go inside for loop for I in range. I will start from 1 because first item I have already taken 1 to len of intervals. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to compare last item of each list with the first item of next list. So now we are moving to 2. So our last item, last value we have to take from here. Okay, so last value, how will we take? So last item I can take like this. Last item will be answer -1. See, -1 is the last item. -1 is used for retrieving the last index. Okay, so whatever will be inside answer, its last pair, like this 1 3 2 6 8 10, is it there, then it will pick 8 10. last item is this 18. So this will pick the last item, last list, this inside this answer list. Okay, so last item equal to answer minus 1, and what I have to compare of last item, this second index. So if last item second index we will represent by 1, first index is 0. See, now inside answer there is only 1 and 3. Inside answer there is only 1 and 3. So what will be its value? Last item answer minus 1. This will be only 1 and 3, because there is only one item, so it will take last item as 1 3. Okay, and if last item 1 will be, this is last item 0, this is last item 1, so last item 1 equal to 3. So I have to compare this one with is greater than or equal to intervals I first item, because now we have to compare 3 with 2. So current intervals first item. So if last item 1 is greater than or equal to current intervals first index, then we will update last item equal to last item 1 equal to max this intervals I0 at first, comma last item 1. Why last item 1? Because there can be one case na, just see the case. First list is like 1 to 9 and second list is like 2 to 6. So if we merge both lists, so what will be after merging its value? It should be 1 to 9 only. So we have to compare 9 is greater than 2. 9 is greater than 2. So we will update this last item 1 with maximum of this 6 and 9 current item. So intervals I0 is 6 here and last item 1 is 9 here. I have just taken this example. It is not in this list. Okay, so it will update like this. So it's updated. Else it will update this last item answer minus 1, it was 1 3, so it will be updated now 1 to 6. In this case this will be 1 3, 3 is greater than 2, so here this is 3 and this is 2 6, so this one will be 1 to 6. So intervals 0 will be updated with 1 to 6. It's not updated here, but it will be updated here. Actually last item 1 and currently last item is this intervals 0, because I have taken answer minus 1 and answer is only intervals 0, so it will update here 1 6. Okay, in else condition, see here, next we will compare 1 to 6, because I have to compare only inside this answer list. Okay, so inside this answer is now 1 6, so I will compare 1 6 with 8 10. So is, now see what is there, now is there 1 6 and 8 10. So 8 10. So is 6 is greater than 8? No. So it can't be updated now. So in that case, we will simply append that list also inside answer. So answer dot append intervals I. So now our answer will be what? 1 6. Then 8 10 will again come. 8 comma 10. Next, see, 10 is greater than 15? No. So again this will be appended inside this list. 15 comma 18. So this will be our final answer, and here also our final answer is 1 6 18 15 18. See here 1 6 18 15 18. Okay, so I will just return answer. See, this is very simple now what I have done. At first let's run. Is it correct? Wrong answer. What's problem? 1 3 8 10 15. It is taking 1 3 8 10 and 15 18. I updated now. Okay, this one should be 1. Intervals I 1 now. I have to update with 6. So here was 1. Now run again. Now it should be fine. Okay, so what I have done, if list is empty, then simply return empty list. Okay, then I have sorted this intervals list of list according to first item of each list. So first item of each list is 1 2 8 and 15. So accordingly we have sorted. So it is already sorted 1 3 2 6 8 10 15 18. Next I have taken answer equal to interval 0. So inside interval 0, current at first item 1 6 was there. Then I have taken last item equal to answer minus 1, answer minus 1, that means answer and last list of inside this list. Okay, so in a starting there was only 1 6, so 1 6 it has come in last item, and last item first item. So last item first index is 1 6, so I have to compare 6 with, sorry, last at first it was 3. Okay, so 3, and I have to compare it with next interval's first item. So 3 is greater than 2, I 0. So currently I equal to 1 and its 0 index is 2. So 3 is greater than 2, then we have merged both of this list. Last item 1, this will be updated with maximum of intervals I1, and I1 is equal to here 6 and current item 3. So 6 and 3, its maximum will be 6. So it will be updated with 1 and 6. Next 8 and 10. Again we will compare in the same way. So 6 is greater than 8? No. So simply we will add inside this answer list, this current list. Okay. In the same way 15 18. Okay, submit. It's accepted. Thank you.